Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make business cards. So first you want to download an app called PixArt, and then that's what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app. So once you open up the app, you want to hit edit and then upload a photo. I had already uploaded a photo. So I'm just going to type in Marissa Cosmetics. You can type in whatever your business is called or whatever. And so as you can see, you can change the fonts to it and stuff like that. You can even change the color, and then you can stroke it so like the outside will have like a different color to it. But all this is optional, or you can just keep it just one color. It's whatever you like. So after that, you can go ahead and add a photo to it. So you just want to crop out the photo as you like, and then you can resize it. You can make it big, or you can keep it small, or however you like. Then after that, you can add a sticker to it. So I already had some stickers already, or you can just type in what kind of sticker you want, like a kiss or a lipstick or whatever. Or you can upload some more photos. It's totally up to you. And then you can also resize it, make it big, make it small. You know, just play around with it. Then you want to go ahead and hit apply. Then you can also add a filter to it to give it a different type of vibe or whatever. So as you can see, there is a lot of options to choose from. After that, you can add a mask to it. So you can like add some lights or just a different kind of overlay. Again, there are a lot of different options you can do. So after you finish, you go ahead and save it. So after you save it, you want to just go ahead and start over from the beginning. And now you're going to design the back side. So I just designed the front. So now I'm going to do the back. So again, I'm going to type in Marissa Cosmetics. Again, you want to type in what you want to name your glosses or whatever you want your name to be. Again, you can also change the font, change the color, change the size, make it big, make it small, make it crooked. You know, whatever you like. So I think I chose a different font. So yeah, this is the font I chose. And then now I'm going to change the color. Again, there's a lot of different options you can choose from. Or you can do like a gradient where it's like an ombre or different colors. And you can also choose which colors you want the ombre to be. So I was kind of just like playing around with it, see what different colors look like. And then again, you want to stroke it to make sure that you can see, you can really see it. Or you don't have to, it's optional. But I would probably stroke it. Then you want to hit apply. Once you chose the color that you like. Now I'm going to add my Instagram. My Instagram is at Marissa Cosmetics. So you can add your Instagram, you can add your email, you can add your phone number, your website. You can add whatever you want to add. It's totally up to you. So I'm just going to do the same exact thing. Choose a color, a gradient, You know, it's a lot that you can do with this. So I don't think I like that, so I think I re-edited that. So if you mess up, you can always hit the back button and kind of just start over. So I'm going to retype in my Instagram, Marissa Cosmetics. And then I'm going to change the font, change the color gradient. So as you can see, there's a lot to choose from. And don't forget to stroke it to make it really stand out. So now I'm going to add a website. So I do not have a website. I just use this website for an example. I don't know if this is a real website or not, but I just kind of made it up. So if you do have a website, you want to make sure that you do put that in there. So again, I'm just going to place it where I want it to be. Then I'm going to choose a different kind of font. Then I'm going to do like a ombre color. It doesn't have to all be the same color. You can make it different colors. It's totally up to you. Again, don't forget to stroke it and make it stand out. And then place it wherever you like. And then once you finish, you want to hit apply. And then you can add some stickers. So I want to type in Patrick, right? So I chose whatever Patrick I like. So I chose that Patrick because I thought it was kind of funny. But it's totally up to you. I know he looks kind of creepy, but it's kind of funny to me. You're more than welcome to type in whatever type of character you like or whatever you want to be on your card. So I typed in glitter lips, and then I chose the one that I liked, and then kind of just reshaped it and just placed it somewhere. And then I typed in a kiss, and then I chose which kind of kiss picture I liked. So you can't click on the ones with the crowns because those are VIPs and you have to pay for those. So make sure you choose one that doesn't have a crown on it. And then I just placed that where I liked it. And so I just did those for an example. I didn't actually choose those on my business cards. I'm gonna show my business cards at the end. But right now I'm just showing you like all the different things that you can do. So I put hearts over Patrick to make him seem more friendlier or whatever. And then again, you want to add a filter to it. I mean, it's optional, but if you want to spice it up, you can add like a filter to it. And then you can hit the magic button. And then you can see a whole different type of vibe to it. And these might take a second to load too. So as you can see, there are a lot of different things that you can do to your business cards to make them really stand out. I thought this was dope. It's kind of like a dark feel to it. And then you can kind of add your own border. also change the colors of your border. So you can do pink, you can do orange, you can do yellow. It's totally up to you. Then I went back to effects. I was looking for something that I couldn't find, but I realized it was mask. So mask, again, you can add more lights to it to make it really stand out. And then I went to borders and then gave it like a film vibe to it. So that is what it looks like. And then you want to go ahead and save that. Then you want to go to the App Store and you want to download AliExpress. Then you want to go ahead and open up AliExpress, and then you want to type in custom business cards. And then this is the photo. So what you want to do is go ahead and add it to your cart, and before you buy it, you want to go ahead and send the seller both photos, and then she'll send them back to you, and then you approve it, and then it'll come. So it's going to take about a week or so for them to ship, so it'll take about a month to come. The shipping process is kind of long. So these are my cards. So that's the front and that's the back of my cards. Again, they took a month and I ordered 500 and I love them. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.